Hey, and today I have got a quick and easy solution for you on how to fix a Snapchat device ban. If you have encountered an error message like this one stating that your Snapchat account is disabled or banned, possibly with the support code CC02, which blocks your device and IP address from accessing Snapchat, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's jump right in. Firstly, head into the settings on your phone, scroll down, tap on General and then go all the way to the bottom and select VPN and Device Management. If you have a VPN configured or enabled, my recommendation is turn it off. Connection through a VPN might trigger issues with Snapchat and they could interrupt it as suspicious behavior. Turning off any VPN connections might resolve the problem. Next, there is a helpful support page that explains how to submit a locked account appeal. If you find yourself banned, you will need to submit an appeal as Snapchat believes you may have violated community guidelines. To submit an appeal, open your Snapchat app, attempt to log into your account, and a pop-up will appear, allowing you to appeal the decision. Follow the in-app appeals process to try and relieve the ban. I hope this solution works for you. If it does, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Catch you in the next one.